Welcome, here I've got VIVO V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down and find the watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we are, we have three types of watermarks we can add to our picture: time watermark, model watermark and the custom watermark. By using the buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off. As you can see, we can add just one of these, 2 and 3 at the same time, and when we tap to custom watermark we can add our own content, so let's pick it. Now let me write here, for example, hard reset. And save. So for now we have 3 watermarks turned on. Let's keep it like that and move to the camera to see them at the real photo. So for now let me take a picture. To see it, let's go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is my photo with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. And we have device watermark VIVO V21 with the custom hard reset, and in the second line date and time. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, slide down to watermark and use this as we need, or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.